everyone, welcome back to my series Aesthetic Procedures with Dr. Sini Jain. So here we are presenting before you a video about laser hair reduction. It is a trending procedure nowadays for hair reduction and is totally safe and non-invasive procedure. First of all, we will discuss that in which indications we need to get the hairs removed or reduced. So why is hair reduction needed? There are certain conditions in which one wants to get the hair removed or reduced. For example, the first condition is hirsutism, in which because of certain abnormal disturbances in the hormones, one can see thick coarse hairs growing over the area like upper lips, chin, side locks, over the chest area, around the umbilicus and thighs in females. इसमें बाल काले और मोटे हो जाते हैं और इन जगहों पर ज़्यादा बाल आने लगते हैं फीमेल्स में। सेकेंड कंडीशन इज़ हाइपरट्राइकोसिस, जिसमें अनचाही जगहों पर बाल आने लगते हैं, जैसे कि ओवर द चीक एरिया। ये सर्टेन सिस्टमिक ड्रग्स के इन्फ्लुएंस में हो सकते हैं या फिर कुछ टॉपिकल क्रीम्स भी हेयर ग्रोथ प्रोड्यूस कर सकती हैं। थर्ड इंडिकेशन इज़ बियर्ड शेपिंग। Nowadays, males want a well-aligned beard over their face. So to get rid of the excess hair, hair reduction can be done. Then the fourth is for certain cosmetic reasons, people might want to get their hairs removed or reduced. So now we will talk about the ways of hair removal. The first and the most common way is waxing or shaving. It is the most common procedure, but it is temporary. Second is use of epilators. Again, that is a temporary method. Then is electrolysis, which is a long and tedious process. Certain medical creams are also available for reducing the hair growth, but those are not very effective. Then comes advanced techniques like intense pulse light device, and the most recent one are the use of lasers. Various types of lasers are available in market for reduction of hair growth. The most common one used is the diode laser. So in Skinna we have the most recent diode machine for laser hair reduction. The wavelength of diode used is 810 nanometer. So how does laser works in reducing your hair growth? The principle on which laser works is selective photothermolysis. Laser emits a light of particular wavelength and a specific pulse duration. So the target of the laser here in reducing the hairs is melanin, which is the pigment present in the hair follicles. So laser जो है एक particular wavelength की light emit करता है और ये जाकर melanin को destroy करती है। जो ये light energy है वो heat energy में convert होती है and then subsequently the hair follicle gets destroyed. So why I am saying laser hair reduction and not removal? Because in this it is not like 100% laser hair removal, it is reduction of hair growth. All the lasers available in market, they reduce the hair growths. The coarse hairs become fine and there is delay in the hair growth. So this is how laser works. What the target we need for laser is melanin. So laser does not work on the white, blonde or red hairs, and hair follicle is needed. So before the laser procedures and even during the procedure therapies, one need not to use epilators or waxing, because what we need is the hair follicle, that is the target. So best results are seen with thick black coarse hairs. How many sessions will be required for reducing the hair growth? This is the most frequently asked questions when people come for their hair reduction. First of all, it depends on your skin type, the area involved and the type of hairs over your affected area. So on an average, minimum of 6 to 8 sessions will be needed for a desired result. यहाँ पे हम जो प्रोसीजर कर रहे हैं उसमें 20 to 30 days का गैप 2 सिटिंग्स के बीच में दिया जाता है. So now let's see how this procedure is done at our center. So this is the most advanced diode laser machine we are using at Skinna. So with particular settings, we will be doing the laser on our patient, and this is the handheld device with a cooling tip. which prevents any chance of burn over the face. So let's start the procedure. Now we will demonstrate the procedure, that is laser hair reduction, on our patient. So she is our patient, and as you can see, she has coarse black hairs over her chin area. So we will mark this area. After marking the area, we will remove the hairs with the help of razor. So the procedure is done for her chin overgrowth. And as you can see, she is absolutely fine. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So as we can see, it is a totally safe procedure, and with subsequent sessions, there will be delay in hair growth for longer periods. Coarse hairs will become finer, and fine hairs, some of the fine hairs might shed off. So diode laser is very effective in reducing the hair growth. Thank you.